I'm about to surprise Ronaldo with the first ever airless football, but only if he promises not to retire, because tonight is his final game of the season. And fans
He'll be playing.
But even with my exclusive access tickets, wait, Ronaldo! Getting his attention would be almost impossible. But we're starting here to get Ronaldo's airless football.
There it is.
Oh my god. No way! It can jump, right?
Yes, this was actually our third attempt. First just magically stopped. The second time we literally had a blackout, but
3 attempts, 1 attempt to give it to him.
But I have a good feeling I'm gonna meet Ronaldo. So let's go to his game.
You can play with it. Really?
Dude, he doesn't
Believe it.
Yes, it goes so much. Of course you can.
But once I arrived to the stadium, there was one important question on my mind.
Do you think they'll let me in with this ball?
Yes, most stadiums don't allow to bring in any footballs. And with Ronaldo already inside,
If they don't let me in, I'll miss the match.
but what I didn't expect was them having this type of security. Which would be a problem, because if I don't surprise him, I get the old Ronaldo haircut. Luckily, security somehow let me in. But the game starts in 1 hour, so I need to be quick to see what my VIP access gives me. Oh my god, I can't wait to show you my seats.
So do you think I can beat Ronaldo?
Yeah,
What does that mean?
That means hopefully. Yes.
Hopefully.
Yes.
But I'm very confident we can meet him, because he gets on the pitch in 30 minutes, so it's the perfect time to get close to him. That's when I discovered this restaurant where Ronaldo has personally eaten, and while I enjoyed the food, the players came out to train. I'm coming, Ronaldo! And remember, if I don't surprise him, I get the old Ronaldo haircut.
Let's see how close I can get to Ronaldo.
And right there, I saw
Money!
But with fewer people than there will ever be, I needed to find Ronaldo. And finally, I saw him. Wait, that's the Ronaldo lookalike. There's the real Ronaldo.
Don't look like me. You look very ugly.
But for him to see my ball, I need to get even closer. That is Ronaldo right behind me, about to take a penalty. No way, he missed it! And with him focusing on the game ahead, which is so important he wins if I wanted to give him the ball, he unfortunately went inside to prepare for the game. But now I know exactly where I needed to stay for him to see me. So my plan is, once the game is finished, I'll position myself so when he walks off the field, he'll pass right by me, giving me the perfect moment to get his attention. Just like that, I put all the money in my bank account into this. I need to surprise Ronaldo for his fans.
They're saying he's going to retire soon.
That's why we've come over.
Oh really?
Come over because they're saying he's going to
Yeah,
retire this season.
yes.
And he's obsessed with football.
But now it's time to see Ronaldo come out of the tunnel and hopefully make it the first time he sees my custom football. Oh my god, he saw me!
That right there is Cristiano Ronaldo in the final game of his life.
I might have not surprised him right there, but when the game is finished, I am so confident I'll meet him with my final chick. However, he only gets it if he says that he'll keep playing for longer. Maybe this gift gives him one more reason to keep going for the millions of fans who love watching him. And now that the match has started, here's how close I am to the players. That is Cristiano Ronaldo right behind me. It was time for the match to start, and I need Ronaldo to win, because if Ronaldo loses, it's gonna be really bad for me, because he'll be upset and wouldn't want to talk to his fans. This means that the next 90 minutes of Ronaldo are going to be crucial for my plan. Please, I really need him to win. Back in the game, Ronaldo was starting to show up in the attack, with not one, but 2 on-target corners, which got him a bit frustrated because it was their final game. However, I thought Ronaldo's playing so good, no way he doesn't score. Then the game stopped for a water break, and Ronaldo was coming towards me. But this happened so all of a sudden that I didn't have time to get my ball out. Ronaldo! However, he did look at me again, although his expression said everything. But with Ronaldo's best opportunity yet, he still didn't manage to score anything for the first half, so he stormed off the pitch right away, probably to get in a better mood, while I tried to meet some people to get me close to Ronaldo, and that's when I had the weirdest encounter ever.
I never thought I'd play with an airless football.
How much dollar?
I shouldn't tell you. Look inside, it's like 8, son. 8,000.
8,000.
Yeah, don't rob me. Don't.
And remember, if I don't surprise him, I get the old Ronaldo haircut.
They just warned me I can't put my ball out here or else I confiscate it.
I'm not taking this ball out until the end of the match before I try to give it to him.
0-0 right now. If Ronaldo loses, that's gonna be really bad because he wouldn't want to talk to his fans.
But the second half started off amazing when one of the coolest reasons ever for a penalty happened. When Ronaldo deflected the ball right into his opponent's hand.
Penalty? Oh yeah.
Stupid question, Justin.
This goal will mean everything to Ronaldo to end off his career, and everyone could notice the confidence he usually carries in his matches wasn't present here. And with both of our epic stories depending on this goal, Ronaldo went on to missed it. Something that shocked most people in the stadium.
He's actually upset.
And it didn't take long for him to show his frustration. The same thing which would ruin my chance to give him the ball just happened.
He's angry. No. This is his final game. He wants to perform.
And now he might start playing bad with him in this mood. But with how good Ronaldo has been throughout his career,
So good. I can't believe Ronaldo's fourth.
it didn't take long for him to try again. And with another great opportunity, luck really didn't seem to favor him.
He has to score his final game ever.
Just then, Ronaldo's teammate scored an impressive header, but we still could see Ronaldo's want for a goal, and nothing was gonna stop him. Well, besides his own fans. Because after missing earlier's penalty, these two Al Nassr fans started telling him to not renew with the team and leave. At first, Ronaldo thought they were asking him to renew, and even started asking them, renew? But his face changed when he realized what they actually meant. But with just
10 minutes for Ronaldo to score. Is he gonna score? Yeah? I don't think so, dude. You wanted to score? Yeah, of course, I want him to score.
a miracle needed to happen. But with all the chances Ronaldo had in this game, all that he needed was one slip up from his opponents.
The 90th minute.
So with Ronaldo's final opportunity to score,
It's not even that I won't give him the ball, but that's so sad.
things took an unexpected turn when a simple volley turned into the biggest last-minute chance ever to score. And Ronaldo finally showed some relief. After one of the most stressful games ever for a Ronaldo fan.
He's definitely gonna take it. 1 minute left. He's going to take the penalty.
And if he makes it, he'd be such in a good mood to talk to his fans. And with how much he fought for in this game, to score this goal and surprise him with my custom football. Last minute goal by Cristiano Ronaldo. All that is left is me giving him the ball. Things changed last minute, and this may very well be the moment. This is the final game. It keeps going. The moment is upon us right now. Let's go. With the game done and security around me starting to protect the field, I just made it right next to the players. Let's see if I can surprise Ronaldo. He scored! He scored! We were making a joke, but he scored!
Is he gonna score?
He scored! This is our final game. They're gonna stay out for long. So I took the ball and hit it on the floor away from security until Ronaldo starts to come towards the tunnel. Oh my god, there's Ronaldo. There's Ronaldo right there. I'm so close to Ronaldo and he clearly is in a good mood. So the ball is finally where he could see it. Now all I could hope for was that he'll know the ball is for him to get his attention. Here's where things take an unexpected turn.
But I am very confident that we still can beat him.
Right after the match, Ronaldo posted this tweet and I was confused. But after some research, I realized Ronaldo will be playing for Portugal in a week time.
So after I knew, I had to impose my nation's finals tickets. I hope I meet Ronaldo tomorrow.
Because it's been 2 months working on this already, and all I ask is to smash the subscribe button like I smashed this TV. At least the ball's still intact.
This is definitely a much larger scale match than back at Riyadh, and because of that, I couldn't get in contact with UEFA on time. German security is no joke. Let's see what happens.
But what security will tell me next will change everything.
When you go out, take it.
This might have been worse news than Ronaldo retiring, but I could still give it to him after the game. For Ronaldo, however, it was definitely an eventful night.
Let's go! Let's go! Hey, 41!
With Portugal winning a trophy. And after the game, I went back for the ball.
It's all over now.
Well, there is one last option, but it will be infinitely harder with all the security around him.
What?
Cristiano! Ronaldo!
Ronaldo! Ronaldo!
But I guess I wasn't the only person upset that night. I really thought it was over and that Ronaldo retired. So I'm giving this ball to someone who believed in the dream.
Hey.
I saw you here earlier representing Ronaldo, so I want to give you this ball.
Really? I hope he keeps playing.
But a few days later, this happened.
Breaking news we brought you regarding Cristiano Ronaldo.
Al Nassr have just announced that the 2-year contract has been signed, which will keep him till 2027.